we wanted to put together a quick video to go over the Kia Regenerative Braking system and how to use it.
The Kia Regenerative Braking system uses the electric motor to take the vehicle's forward momentum, and it converts that into energy during deceleration or braking. The stronger the regenerative braking, the more electricity is sent to recharge the battery, and it can help extend the overall driving range. The regenerative braking system starts when your foot is taken off the accelerator. The regenerative braking feels stronger than conventional braking, which is why you can adjust the levels of force. Level 0 is no braking at all, and you wouldn't be building back any electricity back to the battery. Level 1, that's the lowest amount of recharge that you can get and the lowest amount of force that you can get while still charging the battery. Level 2 is a little bit more increase in that, and then you have level 3, which is the highest amount. And then there's another step, it's called the 1 pedal. You don't need to use the brakes at all. The vehicle will completely come to a stop for you, and you get the most amount of boost back to your battery. You can adjust the force if you don't like the way that it feels by using the paddle shifters on the back. On the left side, that's how you increase the force. On the right hand side, that's how you decrease the force. In the snow drive mode, that is always at level 0. The other ones, it's 0 to 3. So you can adjust it accordingly.
Even though that the regenerative braking system does give you some boost back to your battery, it will never recharge it fully. If you have any more questions on any of our EVs, stop on down at 40 Tilton Road at New Car Kia and find out why everyone loves a new car.